Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Fortnite 2Fa step by step. Two-Factor Authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your Epic Games account and is required for certain Fortnite features, including gifting and competitive events. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Epic Games website. Sign in to the Epic Games account that you use to play Fortnite. Once you're signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account. In the Account Settings page, click on Password and Security from the menu on the left. Scroll down until you reach the Two-Factor Authentication section. Here, you'll see 3 authentication options. You can enable an Authenticator app, SMS authentication, or email authentication. Choose the method you prefer. For this example, let's select Email Authentication. Click Enable Email Authentication. Epic Games will send a verification code to your registered email address. Open your email inbox, find the message from Epic Games, and copy the verification code. Return to the Epic Games website, enter the code, and click Continue. Once the verification is complete, two-factor authentication will be enabled for your account. You'll now see that your selected authentication method is active. From now on, whenever you sign in from a new device, Epic Games will ask you to verify your identity using your chosen 2FA method. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Fortnite 2FA. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Fortnite tutorials and gaming tips. See you in the next video.